Environment and ecology, again here current affairs plays a very important role. There are questions coming from different varied themes also, but still I feel that if you target your current affairs alongside and then do your static, it would make more sense in your environment and ecology portion, right? But still I would like to tell you what all themes are targeted by UPSC. So for example, there is ecological concepts which UPSC asks. You need to know about what is food chain, what is biomagnification, and all those basic concepts. उसके लिए आप NCERT कर सकते हो, or you can rely on one source, whichever class note you want to refer or a book you can refer. Just rely on one source, right? Then you have some policies, environmental policies or laws or bills, right? Acts, उसके लिए you have to rely on current affairs, right? International conventions, climate action or climate change, pollution are the hot burning topics every year. Climate change की problem खत्म नहीं हुई है, right? That is adding to pollution also. So what are the different sources of pollution, right? All of that once and for all, just finish it off, right? Then protected areas, conservation efforts, sustainable development techniques, whatever we are coming up with new techniques to improve our climate is what you can focus, right? So again, if you will see this also, you do not have too many blocks or topics. You have ले देकर 4-5 topics ही हैं, maximum 5-6 when it comes to static only. Static में तो you only have these fundamentals, you only have the biodiversity, right? उसको कितना time लगेगा? ठीक है, every species you cannot target, no? Are you understanding this? So every species you cannot target, every concept you cannot target. You only need to have good enough knowledge on many things, right? So this is what you need to have clarity upon.